when I design a new chair, I explore the room. When they want me to design a new room, I explore the house. And when they want me to design a new house, I explore the environment. Business design thinking. Harvard Business Review writes, design thinking works in business. Why? Watch this movie to be a great innovator. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 principles of design thinking. It will make you a better innovator with a human-centered approach. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a complete methodology which includes design thinking. It combines design thinking and business reality, and you will get great results. Watch to the end. For those of you who are here for the first time, welcome to Inspiration for Innovation. My name is Gijs van Wulfen. I am a LinkedIn influencer and a speaker on creativity, design thinking and innovation. You're watching Inspiration for Innovation, where I make how-to movies to make you a great innovator. Now please subscribe to this channel if you want how to innovate movies every Monday and Thursday, and do a thumbs up if you like this movie. First of all, a definition of design thinking, a simple one. Design thinking is an iterative approach that designers use to tackle challenges. And that's it. Now, let me talk to you about those 6 principles. Principle 1, empathy, a human-centered approach. Designing is not about objects, it's about how people interact with objects or with services. Or how do they experience a certain environment. Design thinking is human-centered. A good designer immerses in the world of the customer, discovers it, discovers jobs to be done, or I would call them customer frictions, and use them as their starting point to tackle a challenge. Principle 2, integrative thinking. See all aspects. Designers use many perspectives to explore a problem, and many perspectives to come up with great new ideas. They diverge and converge to come up with great new solutions. So use a 360 perspective. Principle 3, I love this one. It's optimism. Yes. Designers think that you really, for every challenge, how big the constraints are, there can be a new solution. And I love that. That's my attitude too. Be optimistic. How big the crisis is, there always will be a new original solution. Principle 4, experimentalism. Designers come up with all kinds of alternatives, but will they work? They love to experiment. They love to make pretotypes or prototypes, little mock-up experiments, see if it works, see if it's feasible. That's what I love, because it's really practical. Principle 5, collaboration. Experiences, services, products these days are so complex. For example, a premium car these days has 150 million software lines programmed. Great designers have multiple backgrounds. They work together with people from multiple backgrounds to get a broad perspective. And also they work together with multiple people on one solution to get a great buy-in. So with teamwork, first of all, you get better solutions and you get a buy-in for transforming those ideas into reality. Principle number 6. This is a story that a designer told me. He says, Gijs, see the bigger picture. And he told me the story of a chair. He said, when I design a new chair, I explore the room. When they want me to design a new room, I explore the house. And when they want me to design a new house, I explore the environment. So see the bigger picture. When you try to innovate your product group, look beyond. Apply these 6 principles of design thinking in your own business, in your organization. You will be so effective because you will be more human-centered. You will have lower risks and lower costs, but you learn experimenting. You will get a greater buy-in for your innovative challenges. And you will get to more concrete outcomes because design thinking is a structured process. If you want a process like that, I've got for you the 4th innovation methodology. A methodology I invented 15 years ago and is now used on all 6 continents worldwide, by big organizations, by small organizations. It combines design thinking with business reality in 5 steps in the form of an expedition. You can watch a movie on this. Here, an introduction movie and 5 movies on 5 of the islands. Very concrete, very inspirational. Watch this. You have been watching Inspiration for Innovation. Thank you. My name is Gijs van Wulfen, live from you from Crete, the island where I live. Lots of success being a design thinker and stay safe.